Bro! So clutch has just been replaced, and before it would sound like rod knock. Clutch in, clutch out, not a single noise. Guys, if your release bearing is making noise, replace that now. It is worth it. Plus the feeling, I did not think my clutch was that toast, but nah. How my clutch feels now, I know the old one was toast. She needs a good wash. Alright boys, we're gonna go get a drying towel, we're gonna dry it up, we're gonna rip home, and I'm gonna talk to you guys and show you the V clutch that was in this car before, because these black marks, these are remnant chunks of my old clutch. That it is not oil, I promise you this is clutch. I'm about to show you. Welcome to the garage, folks. This box behind me has what I didn't think was a toast clutch, but oh man, was I wrong. Let me just show you what is inside here. Let me just let you guys listen to what this release bearing sounded like. Bro! Oh, it exploded on the floor, guys. We're not going to talk about that, and we're just going to move on, even though I'm now covered in whatever came out of that thing. You might say, well, David, that's a regular clutch. What's wrong with it? Well, let me show you. If you look at it from an angle, you will notice that that is, in fact, not straight. It is curved like this. And then it gets worse. If we pull out this clutch, and I'm not even going to show you the bad part yet. If I tip this upside down, this is clutch. This is clutch remnants. Look at these heat marks. You tell me if that looks like a proper working clutch. This is blood from my old clutch, which I did not think was that bad. A few things I'd like to go over though. If you were about to do a clutch replacement and your clutch feels like a little bit flimsy, it doesn't have that pressure that it does usually, and you're starting to feel it is slipping or smelling bad when you're given a gas, replace it and give it around 200 to 500 kilometers of break-in period, meaning don't romp on it as soon as you get it, because you will shatter the clutch immediately. If it's something that is not financially related and you can replace the clutch, get that clutch replaced, because this ain't it.